Most enterprises today are still running traditional on-prem VDI, expensive, complex, and hard to scale, with a poor user experience, especially for remote and mobile workers. The shift to the cloud workplace starts with simplifying infrastructure. Desktop as a service replaces the legacy data center stack by delivering secure desktops and apps from the cloud. Then comes FinOps to optimize cloud costs, and DEX, digital employee experience, to monitor and improve how users feel about their environment. For users who rely mostly on SaaS and web apps, a full desktop may be overkill. A secure enterprise browser offers fast, policy-driven access across desktop and mobile. Finally, AI ties it all together, continuously analyzing cost, sentiment, and security to optimize in real time. The result is a unified cloud workplace, combining DaaS, FinOps, DEX, enterprise browser, and AI into a smarter, simpler cloud-native platform. Companies adopting this model are seeing up to 80% lower costs, better user experience, and seamless access across devices.